Jawaharlal Nehru University, which is best known for its campus politics, is a day away from polls for its students' union. A campus which has been the bastion for the left for years saw the first ABVP candidate come to power last year. And although the JNU row created ripples on campus earlier this year, the institution is back in its element during elections. The high point in the run-up to this is the presidential debate. Rashmi Maan reports.
JNU in a frenzy. The presidential debate held the night before polling each year. Hundreds of people here to listen to the candidates. The ABVP presidential candidate challenged the left, asking what they'd done in the past year.
I stand here therefore as a voice of opposition. A voice of opposition who asks you कि आपने अपनी लेफ्ट हेजेमनी और लेफ्ट मोनोपोली में इस जेएनयू को दिया क्या आखिर? मैं पूछती हूँ, पिछले साल मैंने नारा शायद सुना था, IISFI आयशा को मार भगाई.
This year, rivals, the Students' Federation of India and the All India Students Association have come together as the united left panel. No candidate from Kanhaiya Kumar's party, the All India Students Federation, is participating in these elections.
देखिए, पिछली बार भी हम लोग लेफ्ट यूनिटी की बात किए थे. विरोधियों के वोट को एकजुट करना ज़रूरी है, अन्यथा इसका फ़ायदा दूसरे पक्ष के जो विरोधी हैं उनको मिल जाता है. और सेकुलर डेमोक्रेटिक जो वोट है उसको ना बांटने की समझदारी को अपनाते हुए हमने अपना कोई कैंडिडेट नहीं दिया.
The NSUI, which does not have much support on campus, attacks both the left as well as the right wing. The left candidate from AISA constantly targeted the ABVP.
और मोदी जी प्रधान सेवक बनने निकले प्रधान मॉडल बनके, रिलायंस के प्रधान मॉडल बन गए मोदी जी.
But despite the democratic, politically charged environment of the JNU, students feel ground issues in the campus should be the main focus even outside manifestos.
Infrastructural issues, the hostel issue is there, the health center thing is there.
So there is a lot of politics going around the hostel also. So by not getting hostels made, they certainly have a hold over some vote bank because they are then supporting new students. But it is also happening because the administration has created obstacles in getting the hostels made.
A common issue which is faced by